You're watching Zero the Painter. Please click like and subscribe.
Welcome. Today we are going to demonstrate the proper way to apply a finish to your finished painting. This works for acrylic and oil paintings. Today we are using Gamvar Gloss Varnish, a 4-inch wide brush to spread the varnish, and a recycled yogurt cup to hold the varnish. Gamvar is available at most art supplies, and a small bottle goes a long way. All you need is a brush and a container to hold varnish. It's best to let the canvas dry overnight in a well-ventilated dry area. First, we start with a plain dry art piece. Place a sheet of newspaper under your canvas. This will soak up any extra varnish. Always read and follow the warning labels on chemicals. This product should be used in a well-ventilated area. Now we will pour some varnish into a small container. Start with a small amount, then we spread the varnish with the brush. This varnish spreads very well, so a little bit covers a large area. Hold the brush at a low angle to minimize bubbles. We spread varnish over the whole canvas, trying to spread the varnish evenly over the whole canvas. It's best to spread a thick layer quickly to give us time to work. At this point, we're looking for coverage and pushing excess varnish to edges. Canvas threads lay in a square pattern, so we work in a square. Right to left and up and down. This gives an even coating and helps move imperfections to the edge. Working slowly, we pull the varnish. This way we also cover any bare spots. Just remember, take your time, this varnish dries slow. This type of varnish tends to pool up in the middle and miss the edges. Now we dip for more varnish and we keep working slowly. Same motion up and down, right to left, or it can be down up and left to right, it's all up to you. Trying not to create bubbles, but it's impossible not to create a few bubbles, no matter how slow you brush. At this point, we're just trying to push impurities to the edges and off the canvas. The slower you work, the smoother the final finish will be. Now, once the bubbles are at the edge, some may not want to pop. All it takes is a hairdryer on low heat to pop them. Now we raise the brush to a higher angle. Almost 90 degrees, this will help push bubbles and extra varnish off the canvas. Don't worry, there is plenty of time to work. In a thick layer, it may take 10 to 12 hours to dry. A thin layer will dry faster in around 3 to 4 hours. Let the canvas dry on a level surface. The directions say the way to clean the brush is to wipe off excess varnish with a dry cloth or paper towel. Let it dry and you can use the same brush again on the next finish. Let your canvas dry out completely before hanging. Once dry, your art now has a protective finish. You can also buy Gamvar in a matte finish. Varnish will protect your art. It helps deflect dust and retain colors. If this video helps, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.